Welcome to my class. Lesson: Sentences used at the zoo Part 2. Sentence is: The bat can fly. The bat can fly. The next sentence is: The buffalo is strong. The buffalo is strong. The next sentence is: The dolphin is smart. The dolphin is smart. The next sentence is: The goat eats grass. The goat eats grass. The next sentence is: The hedgehog has spikes. The hedgehog has spikes. The next sentence is: The jellyfish is soft. The jellyfish is soft. The next sentence is: The leopard climbs trees. The leopard climbs trees. The next sentence is: The lizard climbs walls. The lizard climbs walls. The next sentence is: The octopus has 8 arms. The octopus has 8 arms. The next sentence is: The otter swims well. The otter swims well. The next sentence is: The rabbit is hopping. The rabbit is hopping. The next sentence is: The sea lives in cold water. The sea lives in cold water. The next sentence is: The shark has many teeth. The shark has many teeth. The next sentence is: The sheep has wool. The sheep has wool. The next sentence is: The squirrel collects nuts. The squirrel collects nuts. The next sentence is: The starfish lives in the sea. The starfish lives in the sea. The next sentence is: The turtle is hiding in its shell. The next sentence is: The walrus has long tusks. The next sentence is: The whale is the largest animal. The next sentence is: The wolf is howling. The wolf is howling.